Hello everyone, my name is Juan. I'm from Trivandrum International School. So today's my experiment is what is the difference between laminar flow and turbulent flow. So now I'm going to explain. So laminar flow is the movement of particle which it goes regularly, but turbulent flow is same movement of particle but which it goes irregularly. So in diagram in here diagram you can see this is a laminar flow and this is a turbulent flow. You can see that it goes regularly and straight, and turbulent flow you can see that the particle it goes irregularly and it goes around like mass. For example, you can think this all the particle is children, and this water is this glass is the ground, and you can see that like children is like running and they are playing around on the playground. And laminar flow you can see like the teacher said everyone sit in the class, right, like exam like that to then after the students sit like class wise, and you can see that they are not classes are missing. That is the example of the laminar flow, and this is my experiment. So this is material what I use, and this is the turbulent flow experiment, and this is the laminar flow experiment, both of them, and this is research. So you can go to my QR code and you can see more about my explanation and more interesting videos. Thank you for watching my video.